Sometimes you need to slow down, and today is one of those days. So, set the tempo here, let's type in the value of 60. We are going to create some sleepy lo-fi. And for that, I opened up this soft piano from Labs from Spitfire Audio. This is a free plugin, but feel free to use any other piano that you like. And let's open up the piano roll. And today, right click here on Snap to Scale. We're going to set it to a minor. We want a sad sounding sound. And I think the E minor scale, I really like that one. So since I picked E, this will be my root note. And I will go in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for 5 chord progression today. And let's create the chords. I skip every other note in the scale. So I can create these 7 chords, which is what lo-fi relies on. And let's listen to this. Brings you in the mood, right? Okay, we can also Ctrl-Shift click to this, Ctrl arrow down to bring in the bass notes. Okay, let's already paste this in the playlist right here. And let's rename this to piano chords. Right click on this bad boy. And where is it once again? Here, auto name. This is the one. Okay, and now we have them in. Okay, let's create another one. I like to have a guitar arpeggio for this. And let's open up Flex and find a guitar. It's from the free packs, the essential guitars. And I think this was the one I really liked. Was it this? I think this was the one I was looking for. Okay, let's copy paste those over. And I'm going to delete the bass notes right here. And I'm going to go here to the tools and then arpeggiate them. And I'm going to play here with the time until I'm satisfied with it. And I think in combination with the chords, this will fit really well. Let's listen to it. Put down the volume of this. Increase the volume here. I want arpeggio a little bit quieter, like this. I think this is fine. Okay, let's add in the bass. And the bass I'm going to keep it very simple. So once again, let's copy paste this over in a new instance of Flex. But this time I'm going to delete the chords and keep the bass notes there. Let's paste in the bass here. Let's keep it on the pattern. This is of course not what we want. So maybe some bass guitar make a sound good. I think this is the one. Of course I need to turn it down. And let's listen to the song. And I need to do this again because it's not really in the right place. Okay. And maybe here, just to make sure I pasted this in nicely. Okay, let's listen to this again. Okay, now it plays on the right beat. Okay, now the piano chords right here. I'm going to strum these a little bit. So here in the tools, go to strum. Also the velocity right here. Okay, now they're a little bit strummed. Okay, time to add in a pad for some background ambience. The pad will do nicely here. And for that, let's open up Flex again. I'm using Flex because you guys have these this also. Let's look to all, and in tags, let's look here to pad, and I can scroll through. This is too much. This might be the one. So we were in the E one. Okay, this might work, but I need to turn this way down. Need to be in the background. It's here. Okay, and then I found this pack online. You can see the name right here. If you want, you can look it up. It was completely free and has some cool sounds in there. But also some effects, some ambiances. So you can add water if you really like. Also some atmosphere. Like this is too evil. This may also work here. But it's too loud, so we're going to play with the volume. Just in the background like this is fine. Okay, now let's add in some kicks. I think a soft kick will work in our sleepy lo-fi track. So once again, let's set this to beat. Or maybe, yeah, to beat. Let's drag in the kick. Control scroll, scroll in. And I'm going to skip every other. Okay, and let's select these and then shift drag those out. And maybe some small snare in between might sound good. Maybe this one. Maybe layer this on the fourth one here. Oh, this is too loud. Hold the right mouse button to loop this. Okay, so this is more subtle. Control click to remove this effect. And maybe a double one here. I think this might work here. Well, let's play a bit. And I'm going to keep the drums really simple right here. So don't overdo them. Control select them. Shift and drag those out. And see if we aim this properly. Okay, I need to fill in some more. Shift click here. And there is some variety in here, but that's okay if there is some variety, but listen to the track if it sounds good. let's work on the effects before we really fall asleep. For the piano, I'm going to put this here on mixer track 1. Let's open up the mixer track here in slot 1. And I found this effect right here, Cymatics Origin plugin, to give this more of an old sound. You will see what I mean very soon. They even have a lo-fi sound. Not too much, just a bit. Okay, I think I really like this sound better. Okay, now let's do some basic arrangement. I think I will move these bits right here. And we'll start off with the chords and the bass line and the pads. And I think I want this, I'm going to keep this as well. So the arpeggio comes in later, here with the drums. And here in this part, let's take away some more of those here. So we have some breathing room and then everything comes in once more. And then for the piano, well, maybe just the piano and the pads. So for this, let's create a little effect here. Back here to slot 1. Let's create here a fruity filter. And then for the cutoff frequency, see what's happening there. So I'm going to create an automation clip for this. And also for the low pass and high pass. So let's drag those out here. And in the beginning, I want those to really come in like this. Well, it's just an effect. Let's listen to this solo, control click, together with those. Well, let's not start at 0. Maybe like 21, you can see this here. Let's do this. So we at least start with something. Well, even more, 40. So we have this fading in effect of the piano. And we have our stuff coming in right here. Okay, control click once again. Okay, and this layer, where everything comes in, let's duplicate this once again. Make sure I'm back in beat, so Ctrl Z to undo that one. Back in beat, that way I make less mistakes. Let's see at the drums. Okay, so I have my kick there. Sometimes I forget my kick, so I don't want to forget it there. And maybe ending with an arpeggio might be something cool. And let's here, right click and create automation clip for this one. So at the ending we can fade out. So it starts here at 7%. And let's aim for this also here. Well, 8% is fine. So Still want to hear it. And it fades to 0 right there. Now there are easier ways to crossfade, but I have this option disabled and I'm too lazy to fix it. So at the end it's, yeah, it should be off. So this is the basic arrangement of a sleepy lo-fi track with a couple of elements in it. And I'm going to play it, and if you wake up, I want to tell you, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching. Let's go.